Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can list your Shopify products on eBay. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products. Here you're going to find customers, content, analytics. And here you're going to find marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And here you're going to find your applications. So basically guys, right now, go ahead and click on add apps. And then once you're here, just go to the bottom, click on get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. So give it a click and then you're going to be right here in the Shopify App Store. So basically guys, once you're here, just go to the top, go ahead and click on this search bar and then search for eBay. Once you do that, right here, you're going to find all of the results for your search. So right now, go ahead and choose this application, which is eBay Importer by InfoShore. Give it a click, and then you're going to be here in the application page. So once you're here in this page, just click on install. As you can see, guys, in my case, it's already installed. So I'm going to click on open. And then you're going to be taken to this page right here. Just wait for it to load. And then as you can see, guys, here you're going to find two options. You can either import from eBay to Shopify or import from Shopify to eBay. So in this case, we want to list our Shopify products on eBay. So choose the second option, click on apply, and then just wait for this page to load. So once here, make sure you agree, click on next, and then all you need to do, guys, is follow these prompts, and then you're going to be able to sync your Shopify online store with your eBay store. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.